What is the Community Advisory Assembly? The Assembly includes members who live in New Westminster. This group meets regularly to have discussions regarding different policy issues and initiatives that impact the city.
I've learned a lot about the actual community's participation in making New Westminster a better place, about a variety of different people, and made new friends. This has been not only a very good experience for me to learn on how I can be more active within my community, but also just really understanding and clearly seeing that people want to be involved.
Everybody's pretty tolerant, you might hear something that, that ain't gonna happen, and okay. It's still an idea. It's still, you should, it's the way some people are thinking. You need to know, what are people thinking.
When you come together, we make the conclusion together. It's like a strength. For me to come there with the conversation in the community, I love that. I love community. Community is in me.
To learn more about and apply for the Community Advisory Assembly, please visit beheardnewwest.ca/assembly.